Can't join a Cisco Webex meeting. Whether you're getting an error message, stuck on the join screen, or the meeting won't open at all, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Cisco Webex can't join meeting issues in 2026. First, make sure you're using the correct meeting link or meeting number provided by the host. If the invitation was copied manually, check that nothing is missing before trying again. Next, confirm that your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can prevent Cisco Webex from connecting to meetings successfully. If the meeting requires authentication, sign in with the correct Webex or organization account. Yeah, some meetings only allow invited users or members of a specific organization to join. Now check for updates and install the latest version of Cisco Webex. I mean, older versions may experience compatibility problems when joining newer meetings. If you're using the desktop app, completely close it and reopen it. If you're still unable to join, try opening the meeting in the Webex web app through your browser to see if the issue is limited to the desktop application. Finally, verify that the meeting has started and hasn't already ended. If the host hasn't opened the meeting yet or the invitation has expired, contact the organizer for an updated meeting link or schedule. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex can't join meeting issues in 2026. In most cases, checking the meeting details, signing in with the correct account, updating Webex, and confirming the meeting is active will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.